Hello everyone, so I'm Stella from China Repair Machinery Group. In this video, I will explain in detail how to distinguish between mini excavators with or without a tail. Of these 6 mini excavators models from China Repair brand, only the R10 has a tails. The R13s, R15, R18, R22, and also R32s are tailless. We can clearly see that when the R10's body is turned 90 degrees to the side, the rears of the hold extend beyond the trunks. However, the rears of the R30's holds do not extend beyond the trunks. This is the easiest way to distinguish them. Another way is to observe whether the rears of the hose extend beyond the trunks wise when the mini excavator is moving forward and back forward. The R15 does not. What are the advantages of the tailless excavators? When working in confined space, the operators only needs to focus on the trunks and does not need to worry about the machines colliding with the wheels. Their performance is better than those with the tails, and their practicality is much greater.